Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Dustin, Missouri on the Ranger RCI 99N2. Dustin, got it ready to go for you, bud? Our tune and alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic capacitor upgrade. Start with the RF power all the way down. 100-watt slug. Shut my monitor radio off. Right about 5 watts all the way down, so you have full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. 40 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello. 100 watts in the corner. 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello. 250 in the corner. Let's roll it all the way down. Hello, 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 hello. Still 250 in the corner. Over at the sideband. Hello, 1, 2, hello, 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 hello. About 180 all the way down. Roll it up. Hello, 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 hello. About 235. All right, Dustin, it's ready to come to you, bud. That along with the static and the power cable, mirror mount, antenna, and you'll be ready to go. For your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.